Have you ever paused to consider what invisible safeguards are tirelessly working behind the scenes, ensuring your trust in the intricate and sometimes volatile world of investing? At its core, the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, anchors investor protection on three fundamental principles: demanding full and fair disclosure from companies, vigorously safeguarding against market manipulation and fraud, and establishing comprehensive regulatory oversight for all market participants and exchanges involved in public securities. These vital principles are not arbitrary. They were meticulously crafted from the harsh lessons learned during the tumultuous 1920s. That era saw rampant speculation, widespread financial opaqueness, and a severe lack of accountability, culminating in the devastating stock market crash of 1929 and the subsequent Great Depression. Before federal oversight, investors frequently relied on incomplete or deliberately misleading information, making informed decisions nearly impossible. The foundational principle of full and fair disclosure mandates that any company offering securities to the public must openly provide all material information, both favorable and unfavorable. This crucial step is designed to combat information asymmetry, preventing corporate insiders or powerful entities from exploiting their knowledge advantage over the average investor. Furthermore, the commitment to protecting against manipulation and fraud directly addresses the array of unethical practices that previously shattered public confidence. This includes schemes like pump and dump operations designed to artificially inflate stock prices before selling off, or outright fraudulent representations of a company's financial health. Finally, the regulation of market participants, such as brokers, dealers, and the stock exchanges themselves, ensures that these key players operate with integrity. It establishes high standards of conduct, aims to prevent egregious conflicts of interest, and ensures that the well-being of the client is prioritized over self-enrichment, thereby fostering a more equitable market environment for everyone. In the practical application of these principles, public companies are required to submit detailed, periodic reports and financial statements to the SEC. These filings are publicly accessible, allowing any investor to conduct thorough research. Beyond this, the SEC relentlessly monitors market activity for any suspicious trading patterns or anomalous behavior, launching investigations into alleged violations of securities laws. It also sets and enforces a robust set of rules that govern the operations of stock exchanges and dictate how investment professionals, such as financial advisors and brokers, must conduct their business, all with the explicit aim of maintaining a fair, orderly, and transparent marketplace. An especially insightful aspect of the SEC's disclosure philosophy is the concept of materiality. This term refers to information that any reasonable investor would deem important enough to influence their decision regarding whether to buy, sell, or hold a security. The SEC's role isn't to guarantee the success or quality of an investment. Rather, it's to ensure that all material facts, whether positive or negative, are fully and accurately disclosed. This powerful emphasis on accessible, relevant information empowers individual investors, shifting them from potentially passive or vulnerable participants to active, capable decision-makers who can perform their own comprehensive due diligence before committing their capital. Through the unwavering enforcement of full and fair disclosure, the vigilant fight against market manipulation and fraud, and the robust oversight of all financial market participants, the SEC constructs a critical foundation of transparency and accountability. This comprehensive regulatory framework not only rigorously protects individual investors, but also profoundly underpins the overall integrity and efficient functioning of the entire United States capital market, cultivating the essential public confidence necessary for sustained economic growth and stability.